Welcome to InvestoSphere, the channel where we break down the best ways to grow your wealth, build income streams, and embrace the future of online business. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting and game-changing business opportunities of this decade: how to launch your very own AI SaaS business without writing a single line of code. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need to hire a massive tech team. And you don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars to get started. In this complete guide, we're going to walk you through step-by-step how you can create a fully functioning and profitable AI software as a service business from scratch. If you stick with us until the end, you'll understand every piece of the puzzle, from idea to launch to growth and scale. And as always, if you're serious about achieving financial freedom, don't forget to subscribe to InvestoSphere. Let's get started. Number 1. What is an AI SaaS business? An AI SaaS business is a company that offers software powered by artificial intelligence to solve specific problems. Customers pay a subscription fee to use the software. Because it's delivered via the cloud, it's accessible anywhere, anytime. Why is AI SaaS such a powerful model? Recurring revenue from subscription, scalable to thousands of users, low overhead, huge demand in nearly every industry. You're not selling your time. You're selling access to a system that works for your users 24/7. Number 2. Common myths about building software. Let's bust some myths that may be holding you back. You need to know how to code? False. You need a tech co-founder? Not necessarily. You need a huge budget? No. With the rise of no-code and low-code platforms, you can now build, test, and launch sophisticated software applications using visual tools and pre-built integrations. Companies like Bubble, Glide, Softer, and even AI tools like OpenAI APIs have made it possible for entrepreneurs to focus on solving problems without needing to be programmers. Number 3. Identify a niche problem. Every great SaaS starts with a problem. The narrower and more specific, the better. Look for industries where repetitive tasks, inefficiencies, or data overload exist. Examples: real estate agents who need automated lead tracking, content creators who want to repurpose videos, small businesses who want AI-generated reports. Ask yourself, what are people struggling with? Are they already paying for a workaround? Can AI solve it faster, cheaper, or better? Number 4. Find your AI-powered solution. Once you've found the problem, think about how AI can provide a better solution. There are APIs and pre-trained models available today that allow you to analyze text, generate content, recognize images, perform sentiment analysis, extract data from documents. Platforms like OpenAI, Hugging Face, and Assembly AI offer plug-and-play AI services. With the right no-code tool, you can combine these services into a usable product. Number 5. Choose your no-code tech stack. Your next step is selecting the right tools to build your product. Here are top no-code platforms. Bubble, great for complex SaaS apps. Glide, great for mobile-first apps. Satellite, build mobile apps fast. Softer, build with Airtable databases. Zapier/Make, automate workflows and integrate services. You can use OpenAI's API to add smart features like text generation, chatbots, data analysis. Most of these tools work with drag-and-drop interfaces and require zero coding. Number 6. Build a minimum viable product. Start small. Focus on the core feature that solves the user's main problem. Avoid adding too many features up front. You just need to prove it works, show it adds value, get early feedback. Example: if you're building a resume analyzer using AI, just focus on uploading a resume and generating improvement suggestions. Keep it simple. Number 7. Pricing and monetization strategy. Choose a recurring pricing model. Free tier, limited features, monthly or annual plans per usage. Billing. Make sure to validate pricing with real users. Show clear ROI, time saved, money saved, better results. Offer discounts for early adopters. You can use Stripe or Gumroad to collect payments easily. Number 8. Launching your product. Start with landing page. Build it on card, Webflow, or Typedream. Collect emails before launch offer early. Access or beta invites use platforms like Product Hunt and Indie Hackers to promote early users equals feedback plus testimonials plus first revenue. Number 9. Marketing and growth. Once you've launched, it's time to grow. Here's how. Content marketing, blogs, YouTube, LinkedIn, cold email outreach, Facebook and Reddit groups, SEO, and keyword strategy. Run paid ads once conversion rate is proven. Focus on demonstrating how your AI solution saves time, money, or effort. Number 10. Scaling your SaaS business. When you get consistent revenue, it's time to scale. Improve UX UI based on feedback. Add features users are asking for. Create an affiliate program. Build a support system or chatbot. Consider hiring freelancers to handle growth tasks. Eventually, you can turn it into a full-time income. Sell your SaaS business. Many buyers love recurring revenue. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need an idea, the right tools, and the willingness to take action. Launching an AI SaaS business without code has never been easier. The opportunity is here right now, and the tools are within your reach. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment with your questions or ideas, and subscribe to InvestoSphere. We have more deep dive content coming your way on online business, passive income, and the latest in tech-driven entrepreneurship. And before you go, here's a question for you. If you could solve one problem in your industry using AI, what would it be? Let us know in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.